Today's video, I'm going to be doing unboxing, setup, and review of a Wurkkos model number TD07. Here's your box, what it looks like. It shows you 479 meter throw, 1300 max lumens. Here's the back. Waterproof, IP68 water resistance, 15 watt power. Here's where it's from, more information about it. Okay, let's open the box, show you what comes inside. You're gonna push it from the bottom up. Okay, there we go. Took a while, but we got it. Okay. This is showing you there that you have a piece of plastic separating your battery from your flashlight so it doesn't turn on in shipping. There's your owner's manual. 2 O-rings, which is very good to get extra ones in the bag to keep it from having issues further down the road with any O-rings in here that, you know, they crack up over time. So you got your replacement ones there. Okay. Last but not least, you got USB-C to USB-C charging capabilities. Comes with the wire. That's about it, okay? Set that aside. Like I said, this one is green, aluminum. Nice, good feel to it, okay? Let's see where there it goes. There's the paper separating, like I said, the battery during shipping. There's your battery right there. 1100 milliamp hour battery. Very nice unit. Very good color on it. There's your O-ring right there. In case this ever cracks or dry rots after years of use, you get 2 extra ones to put in place. Tighten this down firmly. It locks into place. Here's where you charge it. Pop this open right here. Boom. There's your charging port right there, Type-C connection. This is very solid in here. Makes a nice waterproof connection. Single LED light. There's your thumb ring holder, so it doesn't slip out of your hand. You can still work with your hand if you have to. It works better for your middle finger. You get access to your button in the back. This is made from military grade 6061 aluminum with hard anodized coating. Good, long, excellent durability and great heat dissipation, okay? IPX68 waterproof rated, so you know this is gonna last, okay? Okay, once you rotate it to right here, to this setting here, this is how you cycle through your different brightness settings, okay? You have your moon mode here, which is 2 lumens. You get approximately 75-hour runtime on it, and you got a distance of 25 meter throw pattern, okay? Single click. We're on low mode now, which is 20 lumens. You got a 22-hour runtime on low, and you got a 60 meter throw pattern, beam distance, okay? Second and third click, we're on medium now. We got 240 lumens, 3-hour runtime, 200 meter distant throw pattern. Got this mode here, which is, if you hold it down like so, you got your moon mode. Rotate your barrel to this setting here. You're gonna get your 1300 full lumens, and it goes down to 700 as the battery drains down. So full battery, you got 1300, and it goes down to 700. So your runtime could be anywhere from 2 minutes all the way down to 45 minutes, okay? Depending on what you're running at. The throw pattern on the turbo setting is 479 meters, okay? Strobe pattern, like I said, you just hold it down fully and you get your strobe beams. You can feel the heat on my hand at this distance, which is approximately 12 inches away. Very well thought out unit. I'm gonna show you right now on the wall, on the white wall, so you can see your hot spots. And then after that, I'm gonna take you outside and show you what it looks like at nighttime in the woods. To the tactical setting, which I showed you before, which is the momentary setting. So click and hold, that's turbo brightness. You can see the throw pattern. This is 6 feet away from the camera. Very hot spot and nice spillage all around, okay? Click and hold all the way. You got your strobe pattern right there. A nice blinding light. We're gonna go to the lockout mode right here, which just gives you, with a single button, moon setting. You let go, it goes off, okay? That's your lockout mode. Now we're gonna go for a normal operation. We're gonna rotate it to this setting here. There's your moon. Just a hot spot, no spillage. There's your medium. You got a nice hot spot with spillage all around. There's high. More intense hot spot, bigger spillage area, as you can see. Very well thought out. I'm gonna take you outside and show you what it looks like at night. I wanna show you in the daytime where I'm gonna get my measurements for when I test the light. And then from here to the wooden fence back there is probably another 30 yards, okay? So take that for measurement, for reference, so you can see the beam distance and what it looks like. Here I'm gonna be doing the beam pattern so you can see the hot spot and then the spill off on the side. Just clicked it over into the lockout mode, which is basically your moon setting right here. That's approximately 10 feet. Shine it up. You could somewhat make out your chain link fence, but you ain't gonna see no wooden fence all the way in the back. Here's your daily use setting. This will be the low mode. You can see the chain link fence. You can see some of the trees. Barely starting to see the wooden fence in the background. One click. There's your medium setting. You can see the wooden fence in the background now. One more. There's your high setting. You can make out every detail of the wooden fence through the trees. Lights up everything in the trees. There's your full output and your tactical settings. Super strong beam pattern. You can see it lights up everything you shine it at. Super wide hot spot right through the fence and everything. Hold it down all the way, you got your strobe pattern. Here's your shed test. Just turned it on to your tactical setting. Full power, super wide hot spot. A lot of spillage off to the sides. Hold it down all the way, you see the strobe effect, okay? I'm gonna turn it into lockout mode, which gives you just the moon setting. Is right there. Nice hot spot in the center. Not too bright, it looks brighter on camera than it does in reality. You can see from the sides. Now I'm gonna put it for daily use, which will show you 3 settings: low, medium, high. There's your low setting. You got a hot spot in the center by a halo around it, spillage to the side. There's your medium, brighter hot spot in the center, a lot of spillage to the side, very good. There's your high, very hot spot with a nice wide halo with a lot of spillage to the side. In the video description, I will have a link where you can purchase your own light. Follow the links below. Questions, comment, leave them below. I get back to everyone. Hope that video helped you. If it did, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Spread the word. The more the merrier. Take care, fellas. Peace.